So I'll leave a link in the description, the first line of the description, and also I'll pin it in the comment section. So once you paste it in your browser, you can do the same steps on my mobile phone. This is where you see it's called Sproutgigs, and this is the most in-depth tutorial you ever get on YouTube about Sproutgigs. So once you click on this sign up right here, you need to input your real name, so that you can use it for verification purposes. But if you just want to do a few micro taps and then you can go away and cash out your money, then there's no need for you to do that. Okay, so once we do that, let's input our email. I'll just go to mail.google.com and I'll get my email right here. I'll just copy it and paste it right there in the email section. Now it's time for us to choose a password. The username, make sure it's your full name. Okay, once you do that, the password, make sure you combine capital letters, small letters, special characters like at, dot, and other things, and also add numbers. If you don't add these three, you won't be able to proceed to the next step. So make sure you mix letters, special characters, and numbers before you be able, and also small and capital. So once you click that on our top, and you can see right here this username has already been taken, so I'll add a few numbers to it to make it special. So once I do that, I'll now input my password again and confirm it. And the next thing you want to do is select your country and make sure it's on America. And right now you see we are almost there. We need to now verify our Sproutgigs. So we have to go to our Gmail and then click on this verification link right here, and it will bring us to the login page where we need to input our email and our password we use in creating an account. So once we're done with that, you can choose to select the remember me if you most of the time forget your password. So I'll click on login right here. You can see we are inside of the website. Okay, so I want you to go to this micro jobs right here, and you can see right here we have pending, we have 180 seconds right here. This 180 seconds is the time interval you have to complete task, and also it must be 0 seconds for you to get paid. Okay, and if you submit a task and the task is satisfied, it will reduce by 10 seconds. So just go to microjobs right here. You can see you can select a lot of options right here. These are the simplest tasks to complete, the SEO plus promotion content. But first you need to input your date of birth, because once we want to do your first task, you'll be asked to input a security question and select whether you're a male or a female, the city you are in or the city near you, and also the security answer. So once you're done with all that, you can now click on this save right here, and now you have our first job right here. It says go to this link, so I'll just copy this link right here and then go to, so that it will open to the next tab, so that I'll still be on the page. And then I'll now see right here it says click the link to visit, and I can see a link right here, so I'll go ahead and click on that link so that I'll visit that website. And you can see it says visit any 10 posts slowly please, 30 seconds per page, visit all 10 posts for 3 minutes overall. Okay, so and also now follow these steps right here. So now you need to follow the steps right here. It's censored, so I don't want to, but every worker has his own what you have to do. So, okay, I want to protect this worker's privacy, so you can do this. You can read what you are required to do right here after completing that. And I already know what to do because I've done this many times. So this is what you need to do. And the requirements, you have to submit the 7 input and also 2 URL. So let's click here right here, and we are here on the website. So he says we should visit 10 pages, and we should stay at least 30 seconds per page, and we should visit 3, and it should be 3 minutes in total. So I'll just scroll down 30 seconds. I'm skipping the video right now so that it won't take too long, so I'm skipping the video so that it will be faster. So but I've visited 30 seconds per page until I reach the 7th page, because I will need to provide a URL of the 7th page. So I'm now on the 5th page, the 6th page, and now we are now at the 7th page. This is the 7th page. So he said we should use the URL of the 7th page as a proof. So I'll just go ahead and open the 7th page right here, and then copy the URL right here, copy it, and then head back to your design. You can see right, it says submit the 7th URL post. That's what I just visited. So I'll paste this right here. I said please give 2 URLs of the visitor you visited is step 4. Step 4 is what I blurred the screen. Okay, so he told me to do something. The worker asked me to perform a certain task, so I'll do that by the end of the remaining 3 tasks. So because it was 10 tasks, I visited 7 and submitted the results, so it's now left with 3 tasks, and I've finished visiting the later. So I'll now complete what he wants, the worker wanted me to do. I'll blur it right here for privacy purposes, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. It's very simple. When you pay attention to the blurred part that I did, it will be easy for you to complete the task. Okay, just read this well and complete the task and you get paid. So I'll finish copying the 2 URLs that the worker need from the page he did, and then I'll now click on I'll cancel the tabs first, and then I'll click on submit proofs right here, and then we have been able to submit our break. I see right here we have 0.030, that's pending account. So if the worker check it and we did it right, you now pay us. So let me show you another task also. This is another task also, so always scroll through and see the tasks that you can perform. This one says start clicks right here, sign up, so I'll go ahead and click on it. Okay, so let's do this task rather. Once I click on it, he says go to google.com and search for Ulysses. So I'm at google.com and I'm searching for Ulysses, and he said now click on the first link. So I'm clicking on the first link right here. It is ulysses.com, and it says sign up and upper right corner incomplete. So I'm just doing that right now. I'll believe it's for some purpose, and then you input all the details you need. That's the task the employer asks us to do. He said input your details, go to Google, search for Ulysses. So just follow the steps, the same procedure, and it's very simple, and you get paid 1 cent for this job. This you can take less than 2 minutes to complete this job, and I'm done with the job. He said sign up as a job seeker. I did that. He said screenshot of your email you receive in your inbox. So that's the proof. So I'll go to my mail.google.com, my Gmail, or if I use the Gmail app, and I'll go to all mails, and I can see it's right here on top of it. If you can't find it, always go to your spam, and you can see right here it says Ulysses. So I have to take screenshots. But what will you use to take screenshots? If it's on phone, it will be easy, but if you're on computer, you might get a little bit complicated. So just search for snipping tool and select it, and once the snipping tool select, click on new right here, and then click right left click and drag it until you get the required size you want. Now save it. I always save it as P1, that means proof 1, so that it will be easy for me to locate this when I'm submitting the proof. So I'll now go back to the Sproutgigs website and click on this right here, and then I can search for my P1. I'll search for my P1. And I can see P1 here, so I'll just you can input a comment. Maybe you did something and you didn't understand, you can copy. So you can see right here we've done with 2 jobs right now. You can do that for I can't do all the jobs on this website. There are lots of jobs, and the more you do the jobs, and the more you get upgraded, you get points, and they upgrade you can get access to higher jobs that will pay you higher amounts. Okay, so I am at level 2 right now where I'm making this video, but I intentionally use this account to show you how it works. Okay, my main account I cash out more than 3 times, so I want you to follow the same steps, and you can see it's very simple. So now that you are done with all this, how do you now cash out? It's very simple. When you click on this wallet right here, and you can see right here, you can see request withdraw right here. Click on this request withdraw. Once you click on this request, it says as a new user you have to wait 7 days before you can withdraw. So I'll wait 7 days and complete some task, and also make sure my time interval is 0, and then I'll now show you how to withdraw. Simply means that when you register account at first, you start with 180 seconds, and when you submit a task and the worker approve it and is satisfied, they reduce 10 seconds from this. Okay, so that means if you make 18 jobs and all the 18 jobs are satisfied by the worker, and you've been able to reach $5, you can withdraw. So now how do you withdraw? It's very simple. Click on the 3 dots right here. When you click on the 3 dots right here, you can see wallets right here. Tap on the wallet, and then you can see request to withdraw right here. And the withdrawal take 10 business days. 10 business days means Saturday and Sunday is not a business day. It's from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is a business day. So Monday to Friday is 5 days. The other week to Monday to Friday, 5 days, making 10 days. So that means when you place a withdrawal, you get it anywhere between 1 to 14 days. That means maximum 2 weeks you receive your payment, but you can receive it earlier than 2 weeks, okay? Because there are a lot of people also requesting for payments. So let's click on this request, withdraw right here, and there are a lot of withdrawal options. We have Litecoin right here. We have PayPal, Skrill, and Uphold. Okay, I'll use Litecoin. So when you tap on this Litecoin, you can come here and then click on I acknowledge. Okay, and you can see right here, I'll be getting somewhere between 4.56 to 4.70 coin. You need to go to any crypto app you're using, be it Binance, be it Trust Wallet, be it BitAfrica, or any other this one. So this is my Litecoin right here. I have 0.03 Litecoins right here. So I just click on trade right here and click on receive, and so I'll be able to copy my Litecoin. It usually starts with LTC. So if you don't see it starts with LTC, that's not the Litecoin. And you come back to the Sproutgigs and then paste it in the box provided below. Once you paste it right here, check to see whether it shows LTC 1QC3 and it's ending with ZX. So I go to my wallet and I can see the same ZX right here is my wallet. So I can now come here and then click on send token right here, and the token will be sent to my Gmail. So I'll just open my Gmail app quickly. I just open my Gmail app quickly right here, and I can see one new message, Sproutgigs right here. I can see Sproutgigs right here, confirmation token. So I'll click on it, and then the confirmation token will be given to me. So all I'll do is just copy this confirmation token. I just copy this confirmation token to my clipboard and then go back to my Sproutgigs and then paste it right there.
I do think that
Paste it right there. Okay, once I paste it, I'll now click on submit requests. And then you have submitted your payment request, so you'll be paid within 2 days. So you can see right now it has been deducted from my account. I'll get paid anywhere between, you can get paid the following day, you can even get paid immediately as you requested within 2 or 3 minutes. They usually process it, but if they are not able to process, today is a Sunday. Okay, today is Sunday 8th January. It's just a Sunday, so that means tomorrow is a Monday. I might get it somewhere anywhere between tomorrow to the following week. Okay,
guys, it's been this morning. I placed a withdrawal request from Sproutgigs yesterday, so today I'm going to check into my account to see whether I've received it. But before I go to the Sproutgigs website, because that's where you really track the real statistics of your withdrawal process, because you requested a withdrawal from them, so they have to approve that or complete the transaction, so that you now go to your so that you can now go to your withdrawal wallet and see whether it really came or it's just another scam again. But I told you before I make a video, I make sure I cash out at least 2 times before I make a video about it. So you are always going to get videos that way today. So if you see each by the person is doing videos like how to do this and it's not working, don't waste your time. Okay, I won't tell you I will help you make $10,000. I won't tell you I will help you make $20,000, but at least I will help you make some pocket money that you can use to build up and then make $10,000 extra and the rest. Okay, so always follow the small income before you now upgrade to what's doing. So this one right there, we placed a withdrawal request yesterday. When I tap on this right here, when I tap on the 3 dots right here, and then I go to notification, because I can see there's a notification there. I'll just tap a notification. You can see your Litecoin withdrawal is confirmed. Do you want more and better draw? Please leave us a honest review on your favorite review website. That That's it. It's very simple. So the withdrawal didn't complete. So let me now go to the app I used to withdraw it. It's called Bit Africa. Go to the Play Store and install it with your details so that you can cash out your mobile money directly if you are in Ghana, or if you are in any part of the world. You can also use it's mainly Africa. You can also use your destiny or the name, your bank account to connect to it. Okay, so let me open the app and see. Yesterday I placed, it was $5.8. Okay, it was $5.8, and they were deducting somewhere like $1 as a fee. So I should get somewhere between I should get somewhere between $4 and some cent or more if the price of the Litecoin where they were spending was not deducted, or maybe the price went up today. I might get up to the $5. But my prayer is that by the time I open this account, I should get up to $5. That's my prayer. So let's wait and let it load right here, because I intentionally emptied this account so that you see the balance reflecting, and you can see right here we have $5. Right? So if I scroll down, you can see. If I scroll down, you can see we have 5.03. So how do you now get this $5 into your mobile money account? It's very simple. Go to the sell option right here, tap on it. Once you tap on the sell option next to the home button, you can see I can sell BTC, but right now it's only Litecoin that I have, and the rate is 11.1 per Litecoin. So I'll just tap on it right here.